Hello everyone! In today's video we will join Eloy and his container house. The first step in constructing a container house is the procurement of shipping containers. These are typically sourced from ports or container depots, where they are no longer in active use. After transportation, they are converted and modified to suit the desired layout and design of the house. On the other hand, one of the defining features of container houses is their ability to incorporate custom openings. The doors, windows, and other access points allow for natural light, ventilation, and connectivity. Several cutting techniques can be employed to treat these openings. Some of them include plasma cutting, oxy-fuel cutting, and mechanical cutting with saws or grinders. In addition to structural reinforcement and sealing, another important aspect is protecting the exterior surfaces. Painting serves multiple purposes, including enhancing the container's aesthetic appeal. To enhance the structural integrity of the containers, additional support beams may be welded into place. These beams and columns help distribute loads more evenly across the container's framework. Reducing the risk of deformation or collapse. They are strategically positioned to reinforce critical load-bearing points. When refurbishing a shipping container's flooring, particularly if the previous metallic flooring is damaged, replacing it with wooden boards over insulation can significantly enhance the interior space's functionality the existing metallic flooring is removed from the shipping container, ensuring that the interior is clean. The container's structural components are inspected for any damage or corrosion that may need repair. Insulation is installed between the container's cross members to improve thermal performance. Then, rigid foam boards or fiberglass bats are secured in place, ensuring full coverage and proper insulation. High-quality wooden boards are over the subfloor, running parallel to the length of the container. Then, a moisture barrier is applied over the wooden boards to protect against moisture infiltration. A waterproof membrane or liquid applied waterproofing compound is used, ensuring full coverage and proper adhesion. The forms are secured firmly to the wooden flooring, ensuring they are level and properly aligned. The surface of the concrete is leveled and smoothed using a screed board, float, or trowel. Working methodically to ensure a uniform finish to avoid possible unleverage. Here, attention is paid to edges and corners to maintain consistency throughout. An edging tool or groover is used to create smooth transitions between the concrete and adjacent surfaces. This step enhances the overall appearance of the flooring and facilitates easier maintenance. Consideration is given to the placement of fixtures and built-in elements to optimize functionality and comfort. The framework is assembled to match the dimensions and layout specified in the design plan. Ensuring stability and support for the walls and partitions. windows are installed within the separation walls to provide natural light and ventilation. It is very important that the frames are well sealed to improve thermal insulation. Reinforcing the steel frame structure creates certainty for the space, followed by running the electrical conduit. Neatly arrange electrical conduits to make future work convenient and easy. The drainage system removes wastewater and sewage from the container to prevent stagnation and contamination. It consists of a network of drain pipes connected to plumbing fixtures, which discharge wastewater into a sewer. Plumbing fixtures are securely mounted to the floor and walls and connected to drain pipes using fittings and traps. The water heater is strategically located outside the shipping container in a protected area. As you can see, an outdoor faucet is also installed for outdoor plant care. Spray foam insulation is applied directly onto the interior surfaces of the walls using specialized equipment. Connections are made to the inlet and outlet ports using fittings, connectors, and shut-off valves. Before tiling, the subfloor is cleaned, leveled, and structurally assessed. The foam is sprayed in a uniform layer, expanding to fill cavities and gaps. Any unevenness or imperfections in the subfloor are addressed to prevent issues with water drainage. Subsequently, the walls, frames, and corners are painted and finished, ensuring an incredible appearance. Contrast between green and white colors will add visual interest and depth to an interior space. Finally, all the missing furniture is installed in the bathroom to be able to continue working comfortably. Tiles are laid out in the desired pattern and orientation, ensuring proper spacing for grout lines. As you can see, it is also made of wood, so it has to be protected from humidity with a varnish. Eloy, on the other hand, is reviewing all the work done in order to maintain a good established routine. In this way, you can finish the last details and leave the bathroom ready. Finishing touches, such as a mirror and a couple of lamps, will make the bathroom completely useful. Then, of course, the presence of a toilet enhances the overall livability of the shipping container conversion. It is a fundamental component of any living space, providing occupants with a sanitary and convenient facility. Then, constructing a kitchen countertop using steel bars, plywood, and putty offers several advantages. Bars provide structural support and reinforcement to the countertop, ensuring its strength durability. This will make the countertop resilient to heavy use, impacts, and loads. Plywood serves as the base material for the countertop, providing stability and support to the steel bars. As you see, after the putty work is finished, the countertop looks solid and ready to be used. The kitchen, like the entire project, combines minimalism with the contemporary. Installing a wooden table right at the window is both environmentally friendly and makes the room look neat and luxurious. After repairing the surrounding wall of the bedroom, we make ourselves a bed. environmentally friendly but ensure high aesthetic stability. Nowadays, the reception room requires solidity, waterproofing, and high noise resistance, so we use spray glue and cover the walls and ceiling with a waterproof layer. Order a sofa and install it yourself to make the living room space more comfortable and have a chair to sit and watch TV. Now, a roof serves as the primary defense against rain, snow, wind, and other weather elements. Keeping the interior dry and protected from water-related issues such as leaks, mold, and rot. As you can see, the construction of this house is all about making the most of materials.